Welcome to EdTech Tuesday. I'm Jennifer Gibson.
And I'm Rich Dixon.
Okay, I am super excited about our review today because I have been waiting for this. This is exciting.
I think a lot of teachers have as well. It's the free Google Classroom mobile app. And that means it works for iPhones, iPads, as well as Android-powered tablets and phones.
That's great because it covers most everything.
Most everything, and it's free, as we mentioned.
We would like to recommend that you take a look at our other episodes on Google Classroom to get more familiar with how to use it in your classroom. Today, we're just covering the app.
Yes, and real briefly, Google Classroom is a learning management system that allows you to collaborate with other professionals and students to be able to turn in homework, to be able to share documents, and more. So let's go ahead and click Classroom. And the first time that we launch it, it's going to look like this. It's going to ask us to add an account.
Okay. And that needs to be a school account.
Yes.
Got it.
It's important to note that not only does it need to be a school account, but your administrator, whoever sets up your Google accounts within your district or school, needs to make sure that they've enabled the Google Classroom feature to be available to you and the other teacher accounts.
If you're not sure, make sure you talk to your administrator or your IT director.
Once you've logged in, you'll see this screen. And you can get a little bit of an overview of what Google Classroom does by continuing to just flip through each of the different screens.
And you know what I love about it is they really are honing in on those key points about going paperless, staying in communication with everyone, being organized. I mean, it really is all of that.
Yes. Let's click Done to begin. And then in this particular situation, we can see the two classes that we have set up. We have one for math and one for social studies. So I'm going to go ahead and click on our demo classroom for social studies.
I really like how they have the format so streamlined. It makes it for a nice interface.
And it looks just like the web version for the most part at this point.
Yeah, you chose the theme, but I get it. It's nice.
We see a stream which includes all the recent activity. We also have a list of students.
That's so wonderful.
We can mail any information or respond back and forth with those students.
And so often we have our phone or our tablet with us, so you're not stuck with your computer or your laptop having to carry it around.
If you happen to do a ride share, for example, to get to school or whatnot, you can still do your work as you're doing that. Now, what's important to note is that just like with the web version, your class code is visible right on the left-hand side there. And what that means is that if you have new students or students that are going to be adding themselves to your classroom, they're going to need that set of numbers and letters. And you can find that right here. So again, within the stream, we can see all recent activity. We have options up here in the upper left-hand corner. And we can see classroom folders. We can adjust settings and do more. Another feature, Jennifer, that I want to talk about are the options, the three circles in the upper right-hand corner.
Okay.
So we can see an area here where we can, in this case, delete a particular post in the stream. And then we can also click plus down here in the lower right-hand corner in order to create an announcement. And that's a quick overview of the Google Classroom mobile app.